What I'm doing here today is the back of my truck cap happened to have the glass break out, and I'm going to replace it with a piece of plastic glass. And I've often been asked how do I cut it, and I use a table saw, and I'll show you how I set it up so it doesn't splinter and break on you when you cut it. First off, I had laid out the marks that I want to cut it at, and I'll set up my rip fence on the table saw, and I'll show you what I do next. What I have here is the saw blade barely sticking up from the table saw, and as you can make out there in the image there, try to zoom in, you get it a little better. The carbide teeth are just below the surface of the table, so when the material comes across there, it's not breaking the top of the plexiglass, and so it doesn't have an edge to catch on. We're just using the cutting portion of it, and that will keep your sheet from splintering.